quick update before we get into the video here. This is my Blazer, and I've been working on it over the past few weeks, but it hasn't been a priority. It's just kind of been sitting. A bunch of suspension stuff, got a new wiper motor, shocks, different stuff like that. Gonna have an update video coming on this guy here in the next few days, hopefully. All right, today is the day. We are gonna get this cab off of this truck, probably. I thought we were gonna do that last episode. Obviously, things didn't go quite like we planned. Blocking it up wasn't a great idea. It seemed like it was gonna work. 2x4s will not hold a cab, but those were all that we had. We didn't really plan to pull the cab that day. We just did it. Well, we didn't. But we just decided to try it because we had nothing else to do. Because we're kind of like half quarantined here. And then we got Lance over here. He is still finishing up last final touches on the old Duramax here. We got a new radio for it rather than the crappy single din aftermarket one. Got a new armrest coming. And then up here, we got new lights being installed, which are really going to update the front end. So this thing's going to look really, really good when we're all said and done with it. Okay, so our plan, I think, for the day is we could pick up the cherry picker because we'd loan it out to somebody. That's why we didn't use it last time, all right? And run a strap just basically inside this door here, around the hinges. Just get a nice big strap, tighten it down good, and then pick up on this side with the cherry picker. Might do a little bit of strapping on this side just to ensure that it doesn't slide off of this lift, because this lift is torqued a little bit. It is only rated for 650 pounds, so this cab is definitely over 650. We should have pulled the entire interior out before we did all this, but like I said, we were just kind of doing a fly-by-night operation here. So let me put the strap in, and then we'll kind of start to maybe pull up on it just a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so we've actually modified our plans already even a little bit. I think we're going to run this chain. I was thinking about running it through those hinges, but I don't want to mess up the hinges. So everyone in the comments, so if this works, thanks to you guys, and if it doesn't work, then I'm really unhappy with you, but said if we pull this bolt out for the seat, that's kind of where everyone else has lifted up the truck from. It says that it balances it pretty well. So these are rusted in. I am assuming I'm going to break off either my, yes, I'm using a 1/2-inch impact with an adapter down to 3/8 on non-impact socket. So we're gonna see what happens here. Okay, that actually went quite well. I'm surprised. Thought we were gonna mess that guy up, but we didn't. And at this point in the video, things are either gonna go really good or really bad. You may get the opportunity today to see one of us get crushed by a cab. In which case, just share the video. Somebody can have the channel. I don't really care. Actually, it's going up quite nicely.
Don't jinx this thing.
Our plan with the blocks last time wasn't that bad. I just underestimated, one, the weight of the cab, and two, how unstable those blocks would get, or how many we needed.
How many
probably.
blocks we needed?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be less blocks. So, all right. All right, let's hold her there. I'm gonna go to the other side maybe and lift up a little bit. That's going really well, actually. Oh, and if you're wondering how we're getting the frame out, the plan is to just pull off the rear wheels, put a jack under the rear diff, and slide this guy forward. So that should work no problem. And we're up. I mean, we're...
Can we crank this while you video?
Yeah, sure. I don't want to work. Alright, I'd hold her there. I'm going to try this guy for a little bit. That way I can say I did something for the video.
You want me to video it?
Yeah, that way people know that I work hard too.
You want me to video you doing it, or the whole truck? All right, you want to come over and take the genie up a little bit?
would say there's no reason to go up any higher, is there?
Not that I can see.
I mean, if it falls, I'd rather it be low.
Yeah, fall from, yeah.
I'm thinking let's pull the wheels off, jack it up in the back, pull the wheels off, and probably tow it out with your truck. So while I definitely appreciated any advice we got in the comments from last video, this is why the Genie lift doesn't have more weight on it, like, or, you know, just lift up from the top of it and use it for the whole thing, because it is absolutely maxed out right now. At least I would call that pretty much maxed out. She's bending down pretty good. We're gonna try to move this by hand first. I'm gonna set up the tripod. Hey, Axel, say hi. Well, we're probably then gonna see, you're probably gonna see us hooking up the truck and doing it that way, but we're gonna try it.
All right, let's see here. Let me just hold on this thing to drive it.
There you go that way.
That's okay. The jack is gonna fall in first. So.
All right, I think we can pull it now. I don't really want to go under there.
Yeah, me either. I had to hold this handle though for the time being.
All right.
Let's see what you can do there. Just let's put the tire on this side of this jack. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Well, beyond just the frustration of figuring exactly how we wanted to hook this up on this side, which took a little while, that was not that difficult at all. Highly recommend it. Just get 2 engine hoists, or you can probably even do it with 1 if you just go to the center of the truck, but we should have done this yesterday instead. That would have been a lot better. And now you can see all this frame still in pretty good shape. It's definitely coated like more recently. This isn't factory or anything, but still in really good shape. And I do think we are going to use this frame. I think we're going to take the body off that truck, put it on this frame. I think that's the easiest way to go. And I'm actually impressed with, like, I've always thought, I guess, that a cab swap is more in-depth than what it is. And I mean, you can have a bed in a cab off and like back on in not a lot of time, actually, if you got the stuff to do it. So we got to do a little car musical chairs here, because we're going to tow it with that truck, because we have no brakes or real steering. So if for some reason it runs into the back of a truck, we'd rather it be the one that doesn't have anything in the back that can be hurt. So we're going to tow it up with the old Duramax there, but we got to move a bunch of stuff around to kind of get it out. Here comes the old girl. We're really not going far, we're just backing up. And we're gonna tow it from the back end. That way it just kind of goes wherever it goes and we don't have to worry about steering as much. Come back a little bit. There. This is not like a 12,000 pound hitch, by the way. This is like an absolutely if you have to use a hitch on this thing.
I don't understand the depth at which it's mounted.
It had a roll pan.
Yeah, but even still.
Yeah, probably had one of the extension things or something.
Dude, I gotta break right off.
You make it so you can get those out later, or?
No, I don't think so.
Cool. I don't even know if this has enough power to move this. Yeah. Oh, hold on. No, it's not in neutral. Hold on. She's in park. In my defense on this one a little bit, I thought I had put it in neutral, but it's really tough to tell what gear you're in. All right, now we're in neutral. Still got the Mountain Dew riding shotgun here. Oh, I want to see this thing go in the pond so bad. It didn't go. Shoot. It's all the people who are still watching me from the Chrysler 300 days. That is a Chrysler 300 sitting there. We'll talk about that later. Oh! Woo! Off-roading. Just keep going. Oh yeah. Keep going, we're fine. Actually worked out pretty well.
I'm worried that this thing rips. We're just done. The entire thing. We have one strap on this. The entire thing is just gonna go.
That's true.
So, I don't know. We need to do something about steering. Whether that be like sticking a digging iron in the wheel here and forcing it to turn, or something. I don't know, but something's got to happen for steering.
All right, so rather than just letting this thing go all over the place like we did through here, which was okay, I think there's a very real chance that this strap up here breaks, and then this whole thing ends up in the pond, which would, well, it would be a disappointing end of the day. And entertaining for sure, but a little bit disappointing. All right, right there. Now I'm gonna turn the wheels the other way. Yeah, keep going. Keep coming, yeah. No, the angle's right. You're good. All right. Hold her there. All right, let's see if we clear it here. I think we will. Yep. Keep going. That's it. So next stop for this frame is definitely going to be getting pulled back down at some point and putting the OBS truck on it as far as the plans are right now, but those could change any day. Hey, it's still standing up on the stand there. It's good it didn't fall off. So we ran to the Home Depot last night and got some 4x4s and some casters, as you see here. And basically what I think we're gonna do is screw one onto either end of these guys and then run them across front and back, move out the Genie and the engine hoist, let them down and move those out, and then we'll put some 2x4s just in between the boards so that they don't flip over if we need to move this thing. Other than that, I don't know. I think that'll work. So just need to screw some casters in.
Oh, those are all in really nice.
Wow, they're cool.
They work really well. Okay.
Okay, let's put one on
Now
this
I
end.
understand why they were $20 a piece.
$20 a pack.
$20 a piece. It felt like they were $20 a piece when I was buying them.
Not certain we need more than 2 per wheel.
Yeah, let's just do them for fun.
We were taking these back out, by the way, and I'm saving them.
We can take them to back to Home Depot.
They work so well. All right, shout out to
GRK fasteners. They are expensive, but they do work. And with that, we're gonna go see if we can break some wheels off.
Nothing bad?
All weights off on this side.
All right, so flash forward, we're just cleaning up a little bit here, but I'm going to call that done for today. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.